you don't have an excuse, okay? Create a website. There's a reason why big companies do not use WhatsApp to sell their stuff, okay? We might be small businesses right now, but we are growing. So we need to act like big businesses. We need to do things that big businesses do as well. And also, I am going to be letting you guys know about, why we should not actually be using WhatsApp to sell our stuff, so that you understand just how important it is for you to actually make use of the information that I'm sharing with you, okay? Yeah. Now, before we move on, please do let me know in the comments, are you currently selling your products on a social media platform or on WhatsApp? Do let me know. Okay, I'm not gonna shout at you like that, okay? It's fine. It's a safe space. Without wasting any more time, because I jump straight into things, let's jump into it, okay? First thing that I want us to talk about is the fact that WhatsApp is not as efficient for starting, or rather for selling things for your business. Something I've come across when I was looking at people who had WhatsApp business thingy set up, okay, is the fact that there's no freedom for someone to actually be able to buy things without necessarily having to first contact you. And now your availability is a whole other thing, okay? We shouldn't have to worry about when you're going to respond to people, and you shouldn't have to worry about the fact that you have so many messages from people and you have to respond to all of them, okay? Get a website. Okay, a website fixes all of that. The reason why I'm suggesting a website is because a website is very easy to set up. You said, okay, it might not be easy to set up, but it takes some time, okay? But what I'm saying is that once you set it up, it runs on its own. You are not a necessary part for the website to actually run. Yes, you might update it here and there, but the website runs without you. All you have to do is actually then fulfill the orders. There's a catalog. I saw that on the WhatsApp business, but it's not as efficient because, I don't know, you guys just don't update it, or what happens on there, because people have to first contact you to actually find out what it is that you sell, how you sell it, and so on. When you have a website, all you need to do is to just set it up. Have your products, a picture of your products put up there, and then someone can actually choose to buy it. Description, whatever it is that they need of what the product should have in it, or whatever specifications would be needed, they can always share it, and then you'd know exactly what your customer wants. We're trying to make this as efficient as possible. A lot of us, when we're starting off, because we're still talking about small businesses, is the fact that this is not a full-time thing. You're doing this on the side, and if you're doing it on the side, time is not something that you have, okay? It's a luxury at this point. So because time is a luxury, maybe what we should do is actually focus on automating processes, making it easier for us to actually do all of this work, because you don't have the time to start off with, okay? You cannot be trying to respond to so many people's messages right after you come back from work, okay? And then there's some people that don't even buy from you, which is a whole other thing, because they will contact you and they never buy from you. I am people, okay? I've done that quite a lot of times. So not because I am spiting people, let me just put that out there, but because, I just wanted to find out about the product, and the fact that I have to first contact you in order to find out about the product is the issue here, okay? Let me be able to find all the information that I need about this product on your website. Let's do that, okay? So I'm hoping that I have convinced you. I already give you 2 tips. I don't want to go on about how you guys should stop using WhatsApp for your businesses. We're going to have a proper video about that. But today, the focus is on actually having website builders. So I'm going to be sharing with you 5 free/cheap website builders that you guys can actually use. Now, please note, all of them have a free plan, okay? Every single one of them. I chose them well because I don't want you guys to have excuses. I know you guys, okay? So let's jump straight into the first website builder that I want to share with you, which is my favorite, is Wix. I have tried out using Wix to actually create my own website. I've done it for some time. I think right now I don't have a website. Let me not even lie to you guys. I'm still trying to figure out what I do want to offer and so on. I've changed around my offers and so on. So at the moment, I just have a booking system so that people can just book appointments with me or book a call with me, that type of stuff. But no, I don't have a website right now. I shut that one down because I'm still trying to figure myself out. Okay, leave me. Okay, I'm figuring myself out, like I said. Okay, but you can actually easily set it up. I have tried this, okay? I have done it. That's the reason why I made Wix the first thing that we're going to talk about. It's very easy for you to actually set up your own website. I don't have any tech stuff. Yeah, I might be young, but I'm not a tech person, okay? So that's the reason why I'm saying that it's easy, is because if I could do it, trust me, you will be able to actually do it, okay? So you can set it up very easily. In terms of it being user-friendly, it is very easy for people who are not you to actually use the website itself and actually order something from you. You will have to set up the payment gateway and stuff like that, but honestly speaking, it's very easy to actually use. Make sure that you have PayPal or Stripe for the payment gateway, because like that's the way to actually get people to actually pay you. Or else you can just have more information of like, you know, the fact that, you know, people should EFT you or however else you're actually going to be receiving the money. But it is up to you. Honestly speaking, Wix is very easy to set up. There are many themes. Oh my word, I am so in love with it. There's so many themes that you can actually choose from, so that you can actually use in your business. So, you know, try out different things, customize a few things, you know, be creative. Okay, take some time. I know you don't have time, but take some time to like sit down on a weekend, try to figure that whole thing out. If you want to go through you know, Wix tutorials that you can actually find on YouTube, you can find them. Trust me, they will teach you everything that you need to know. Did I go through the tutorials? Not really. I was just like, I'm gonna thug it out, I'm gonna see for myself with no tutorials. And I did see for myself. I mean, yes, I could have fixed it up. I could have done more. You know, maybe if I watched a tutorial, I would have learned a lot more and made it look better. But it's good for like just starting out. You can literally figure out every single thing. And now they have this AI thingy majiggy that like actually helps you set up everything. So your branding, all of that. Okay, it helps you set up your website from scratch. Okay, so it just made things even simpler than they were before. Okay, so what I'm saying is, maybe Wix is the way to go. Okay, let's move on to website builder number 2. Website builder number 2 allows you to actually, you know, connect your blog onto your website, which is something that Wix can do as well. I just I forgot to mention that. I'm sorry. Okay, but you can actually get your blog on there. A lot of us, okay, actually create content so you can drive traffic to our websites. I am suggesting, cough cough wink wink, maybe we should have a blog if that's your thing, because you give free content and then, you know, you actually, that's a way to attract people, that's a way to actually entice people to then look through your website to see what else you have, what products are you selling, and so on. Something else that they have are many customizable themes. We love themes, we love customizable themes, we love all of that. Okay, because you get to actually choose what you're actually how your website is going to look like. And because there are many themes, you get to choose from a variety. We like variety, guys. Okay, Weebly actually allows you to set up your website from your phone. So I think that's a plus. That's something that we want. We don't want to have to like work from our laptop the whole time. I, for one, am not the biggest fan of my laptop. Maybe it's because it's slow. Okay, it's an old laptop, guys, leave me. But I rarely ever work on my laptop. If you see me working on my laptop, maybe I'm just creating content. Okay, I just want you guys to think, you know, me, I'm fancy like that. But no, I barely ever work on my laptop. Website builder number 3 is Big Cartel. Now, how did I find out about Big Cartel? Okay, I found out about it from Baddie in business. She has a drop shipping business and she teaches people how to do that and so on. She has so many things that she was doing at this point, so I can't even specify how to, you know, how you see her. But all I know is that, like, you know, she actually taught me how to set up a Big Cartel website, because at that time I was starting, or rather I thought I was going to be starting a jewelry business, so I needed to know how to then put my products on there and so on. Something I must say about Big Cartel is that, like, the free plan does have some limitations in terms of like how many pages you can have on there and so on. That's something that you do need to think about, but it is easy. Oh my word, it is so easy to actually use. It is so easy to set up, which is what I love about it. But yeah, if you want a tutorial, she has a tutorial on how to actually use Big Cartel. If I can find it, I will link it in the description below so you guys can actually watch it. Now, don't now go and subscribe to her and you don't subscribe to me. Cough cough wink wink. I'm trying to, you know, I'm sending a message here. Subscribe, like, guys, come on. Okay, I'm doing you a favor. I'm joking, you, but you know, subscribe. Yay. Okay, awkward pause. But anyway, so now let's move on to website builder number 4, which is Ecwid. Is website builder number 4. And the reason I actually like Ecwid, I don't think it has any restrictions for like who can use what on stuff like that. Okay, it's not that deep. But for me, I just look at Ecwid and I see, you know, physical products that you're selling, not much on the coaching and stuff like that. Okay, but that's something else that you can actually look into. One thing I do love about it is the fact that it allows you to set up stores on your different social media platforms. Okay, it is amazing for people who are content creators and are now, you know, monetizing the audience that they've built, and they're going to be using social media and so on. So integrating that whole thing is so much easier for you. Something else that's amazing about it is the fact that it has a forever free plan. You never have to worry about ever having to pay if you do not want to pay. Okay, obviously all of them have options, like paid options, that you can actually, you know, look into after you have you know, dipped your feet into there and see whether or not it's actually good. But but you know, when you're starting off, I don't know about you guys, but my budget was very tight when I was starting, and I was trying by all means to minimize costs so that, I wouldn't have to worry about certain things. And also, things are better when you're trying them out when they're cheap, not when you're trying it out with your money. You're going to get more upset if this thing does not work out, okay? This is like your trial run, okay, when you're starting off it, to see, okay, what are we doing? What's going on? But as time goes on, you can then choose whether you want to sign up for a paid plan, but that's if you're now ready for a paid plan as well. The last website builder, number 5, which I am suggesting to you, is WordPress with WooCommerce, okay? So the reason why we use WooCommerce, we integrated, it's a plug-in, okay, is so that it actually allows you to create your own store on WordPress, okay? So WordPress is usually used for like coaches, consultants, that type of thing. I think it's best for people who do that. But outside of that, like, you get to choose what you're going to be using. I mean, I used Wix. That says a lot, okay? WordPress allows you to also put in your blog. If you have a blog, you can actually then set it up on there. After all, guys, traffic, we're trying to get as many people to come onto the website, okay? So look into that as well. Something I must say is that literally WordPress is known for it being best for small or medium businesses. When you're starting out, start out with WordPress, and I think you go well, okay? It'll go well. When you're starting out and you're still trying to figure out what you want to have on your website, what you need to optimize, what makes, what grows your conversion and stuff like that, start out like that. Now, this video was much shorter than the usual ones, but I think we got the message across that we should not be using WhatsApp for our businesses. I hope that is the message that you come from this video with, okay? And also make sure that you choose one of the website builders that I just told you about. Go and check it out. Literally start out with Wix. I will always suggest Wix because that's what I checked out. That's what looked easier for me, okay? But you can try all of them out. Go and see which one's best for you, what options you have, what themes they give you, and so on. Is it easier to customize? Is it easier to actually look through the website itself so that you can see what you can use? But all I'm saying is WhatsApp is not it. No, we're ditching that whole thing, okay? We're not doing that anymore. That's not a thing over here, okay? But do let me know in the comments also, which one are you choosing, okay? Which of these website builders do you think is going to be best for you? I hope I have influenced you to want Wix, okay? But if I haven't, just let me know. Even if I did, even if you're choosing Wix, whatever it is, just let me know, okay? I want to know. Okay, I want you guys to talk to me. I feel like I'm always talking to myself. You guys don't comment or anything. I'm joking. I feel like I'm going on a rant. But what I'm saying is, go and comment. Let me know. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm hoping that little awkward pause that we did there, got you to subscribe. But if it hasn't, this is a reminder. Okay, but the next video that I would suggest that you go and actually watch is about reliable courier companies that you can actually use for your business. Because since we're there, we're talking about things that you need for your business, you might as well go deep into it like that, okay? So courier companies that you can actually use for your business, make sure that you go and watch that video right after. I will see you in that video.